Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Joanne Hakaraia Olsen, tōku ingoa, Nau Mai Haere Mai ki tēnei wānanga o rongoa Mauri. Welcome to my channel. I'm Joanne Hakaraia Olsen and I'm coming to you from Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So welcome everybody. I don't know, there's a little bit of wind at the moment. We're in the month of February and we're kind of in the height of summer, moving into autumn. And it's about this time of the year when the cicadas come out in full force. The Māori word for cicada is kihikihi or tātara kihikihi. And when the cicadas come out, I just thought I'd love to acknowledge and have a kōrero about the sound, the vibration that's going on for us with the kihikihi, with the cicadas, and how the spiritual symbolism of what the cicadas mean for us. I know that there is a line of light coming through. You'll just have to work with the light with me. Obviously it's meant to be part of our video today, which is great. I love light. So what I know about the kihikihi is that they can spend years underground as a nymph. I think they're called nymphs. They can spend years underground, and when they emerge from underground, they are a winged adult. They emerge from the ground and they also shed their skin once they come above ground. Also they shed their skin. The spiritual symbolism of the cicada is about rebirth and renewal, transformation, coming up from the underground, emerging into your new adult winged self with wings to fly. And it's very symbolic of ourselves going through a transformation, going through a spiritual transformation. It's about personal change. It's about coming into a new vibration of yourself and stepping into that vibration. So, and that's what the cicadas are doing right now. This is a vibration that you can hear. It's their vibration that I believe comes from their puku. I'm not an expert on cicadas, but I do know that the sound that they make is the sound that comes from their puku. And the hollow vessel that they have reverberates this beautiful vibration into the sound that you hear right now. And the constant vibration that you hear is the male cicada. But if you listen a little bit more closely, you can hear the clicking, which is the female cicada. So beautiful. And so the male and the female cicada are wanting to mate. So they will come together and have their babies, and then the babies will go back underground for the next few years before they come above ground to become winged adults to fly. And when the cicada comes above ground, I think they only spend like a few weeks in Te Ao Marama, in our physical world. And it's really interesting that in Aotearoa they spend only about 3 years underground, but in other parts of the world they can spend up to about 17 years, I believe, underground. And that's really, I find that really interesting. So what do we know? How can we work with this tohu, because it only comes up for a few weeks of the year. how can we work with this beautiful vibration? Because we're privileged to have it, and we can work with this sound, with this vibration, to help us unfurl our wings and to help us to rise into the next level of where we're meant to be. And always the next level is about stepping into a new vibration. It's stepping into a new frequency. So what is happening is that our bodies right now, if we're wanting to transform and rise higher in our spiritual consciousness, we have to first create the space so that we can hear this sound. So that we can hear this sound. It's a vibration that we will miss if we haven't made the space to be able to hold that vibration, the vibration that we're hearing now. And how we can work with this beautiful vibration of the cicadas is by just sitting in our environment, just sitting with them and hearing the clicking, hearing the sound, and breathing that sound into our body, bringing it into our body so that we are embodying that vibration and allowing that vibration to witty, to midi, to witty, to shift any lower vibrations out, or to transform them, to midi, to witty them away. So that's what we're doing with vibration. We're embodying it into our being. So I'm going to take a few moments and we'll do this together. So we're going to take 3 deep breaths in. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. Now just sitting quietly and listening to the sounds of the kihikihi. With your eyes still closed, see if you can hear the clicking of the female kihikihi. Okay, we're coming back now, just wiggling your feet, feeling your feet, your hands, taking a deep breath in, haki roto, haki waho, coming back. That was so beautiful. The male cicada holds, and this is with most male and female vibrations. Ki te taha tāne, ki te taha wahine. These are with these vibrations, feminine and male energies. The male cicada forms the bass or the po. The sound is like the bass, and it holds the vibration. And the female clicking is the creator, the shifter, the transitioner. Because she is so subtle that we can miss her sound, because she works in different vibrations and different frequencies. We can miss that, and that is the sacred codes of sound, that you will only hear them when you can hold that sound. So that's why it's important to clear the vessel, to hold these sacred sounds of te taiao, of the environment, of this world. I hope you enjoyed that little meditation. It's just giving reverence to the kihikihi and the symbols and signs of the environment that are around us. We can fully work in with the beauty of this world, with nature. It's so powerful, but we need to acknowledge it. We need to give reverence to it, to be able to hear and see its beauty and its magic.